Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to trim a video in CapCut. So it's actually super easy. Just start by adding your track down to the timeline down here. And once you're ready to trim, simply go to the end. You can do it from both the start of the video and the end of the video. Click, hold, and now just cut it down until where you want it to be trimmed to, like this for example. I'm just going to mute it, it's a super loud video, as I'm going to show something else. But now you've made a trim. But if you want the entire video again, if you made a mistake, just hold and extend it again and all of the original video will come back. However, if you want to, let's say I want to hear where there's some movement in the video, just for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to make a split by clicking Control B on my keyboard like this. You can also do it by clicking and now click here. And now I made two splits. I'm just going to go back as I don't want this split. However, if you want to trim one of these videos, simply click on it and now go to the big white line here and trim it again like this. Just hold and drag. And now when I play the video, it'll look like this. And that's how you can trim and adjust your video as you'd like.